Hey there, entrepreneurs, freelancers, and business owners. Nishi here with another fast and exciting social media marketing tip for you this week. Today, I want to talk about how to post a blog article in your Instagram. Using Instagram to direct traffic to your blog is a great idea. However, it can be a little tricky because Instagram only allows you to have one clickable link, and that is in your bio page. So how do you get people to go from your post in Instagram to your bio page, and then from there, go to your blog and read your latest article? Okay, it's a multi-step process, which means that you risk losing people along the way, but here's how to make it as foolproof and user-friendly as possible. So the first thing you want to do is you want to make sure your content, your post, is relevant to your blog. Okay, so sometimes, for instance, people will see the picture and they might like and they might comment, but then they just move on. They don't interact with what it is that you're trying to say. They don't even read the caption. So that's why sometimes you see, somebody posts a great selfie, but in the caption they might actually be talking about a struggle that they're experiencing and like something really deep and profound, maybe depressing, and all the comments are about how great the person looks, or what beach are you at, and that kind of thing. It's sad, but what it really means is that people look at the picture and they don't really read the caption. So you want to direct people from your picture to your caption so that they can read what it is you want them to do, which is go to your blog, right? Now, the picture or the video should be relevant to your blog. So if you're using a still image, you want to make sure that you maybe include a headline, the title of your blog article, make it really obvious that this is a blog post going on. And if it's a video, give them a teaser about what the blog is about. Remember, you're allowed to post up to 60 seconds of video in an Instagram post. And video actually gets better traction and better engagement and more views typically than still images. So videos are a great idea. So once you create that content that is relevant to your blog, you can direct people to your caption. And in your caption, you want a bit of more of a teaser about what your article is about. And you want to include a firm call to action to visit your blog and read the article that you've just posted, right? Don't just assume, never assume anything, that people are going to go to your blog just because you've posted this great teaser. Put a call to action, say, get the entire video or get the entire blog article on my website, on my blog right now. And tell them that there's a clickable link in your bio page, and make it easy for them to get to your bio page by including a link to your bio page. I know I said you're only allowed one really official link in your bio page, but you can actually create a clickable link to your bio page in your caption by writing the @ symbol followed by your username. So in my case, for instance, it would be @Nishi_Sood. So I would include that in my call to action, in my caption, and say, visit my bio page for a clickable link, and then have my @Nishi_Sood. So that means people can go to my bio page with one click. Their eyes are already there, and they're taken to my bio page now. The work is almost done. So now you have a link in your bio page that should link directly to your blog article. Okay, you shouldn't go to your website. Don't make them hunt around for this article that you've just typed up. Make it go directly to the right blog article. Or if you know that it's getting a little cumbersome to change this link on a regular basis, at least link to your blog roll. And your most recent blog presumably is right at the top and easy to find. So that's also not a bad idea. It's a second best idea. So that's it for today. I hope you found that useful. Just to sum up, best way to post a blog article in your Instagram, or rather lead people from Instagram to your blog, is to, first of all, have relevant content, have a video or a photo that indicates that you've got a new blog article that's just been published, and then direct people to your caption, and in the caption have a firm call to action that makes people go to your bio page. Make that easy for them to do by including the @ symbol followed by your username. And once they're on your bio page, it's just one click directly to the blog article that you were hyping. Don't make them hunt around for it. So that's it for today. I hope you found that useful. If you did, please subscribe. I put out a new article and new video every single week. Until next week, take care.